Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will do question number 5 of page number 177. So open your math countdown books. Solve the following sums in your notebook. Okay students, we will complete these question answers on our notebook. So let's start. Students, today is Thursday 24th December 2020 and today our topic is time exercise 6B page number 177 and we will do question number 5. So question number 5 is solve the following sums. So students, first of all we will draw the line in the center and we will write in the right side minute and in the left side hour. Okay. So students, after writing this, we will arrange the numbers 10 hour 40 minutes and 2 hours 10 minutes. Okay, so now we will add it. These are simple addition questions. Okay, so we will add it 0 plus 0, 4 and 1 is equals 5. Okay, students, 0 and 2 is 2 and 1 will come as it is. Okay. So 12 hours and 50 minutes. Next, move to the next question, B part. 2 hour 25 minutes, 3 hour 30 minutes. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 and 2, how many? 5. Again, 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the answer? 5 hour 55 minutes. Move to the next question. 10 hours 724 minutes, 9 hours 781 minutes. Okay, so 4 and 1 is equals 5, 8 and 2 10. So as you know that we will choose the right digit, 0 will come here and 1 will move here. 7 and 7 14, 14 and 1 15. Again we will choose the right digit here and we will move the next number on the next number. 9 and 1 10. Again we have two numbers. So we will choose 0 and 1 will move in this side. Okay, we will choose the right digit and the left digit will move in the left side. 1 and 1, 2. 20 hours, 505 minutes. Okay, D part is 3 hours 15 minutes, 2 hours 48 minutes. So 8 and 5. How many students? Just count on your fingers. So students, 8 and 5 is equals 13. So we will choose the right digit as I told you in my each lecture that we will choose the right digit in the answer and this number will move on the we will carry. So we will write 3 here and when we will move 1 here. 4 and 1, 5, 5 and 1, 6. 3 plus 2 is equals 5. So 5 are 63 minutes. Now move to the next part E. Students, now these are different questions. These are not simple subtraction questions. So we will take carry from first of all you will see that 3 minus 5. 3 is smaller number and we cannot subtract 5. So we will take carry from this side. Students, if we will take carry from this side then we will add 60 in this side because this is our side. Okay, but here we didn't need to take carry from this side, so we will do it in simple way. We will take carry from this side. Okay, so it will left 5 and we will take carry and it will become 13. 13 minus 5, how many? Just count on your fingers. 8. So we will write 8 here. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 hour and 28 minutes. Okay, now move to part F. 10 hour 58 minutes minus 15 hour 22 minutes. 8 minus 2, just count on your fingers. 6. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, 0 minus 5. We cannot subtract from 0. Okay students, both of these numbers are same, so we have 0 hours. We have only 36 minutes. Okay, move to the next question. Okay, move to part G. 5 minus 5 is equals 0. 5 minus 3 is equals 2. and 7 minus 9, we will take carry, so it will become 17. 17 minus 9, just count on your finger. How many? 8. So 8 are 20 minutes. Okay student, this question is different, little bit different. As you know that 5 minus 5 is 0, but 4 minus 5 we cannot take carry from this side. Students, as you can see that 45 minutes are not enough. Okay, so and you can see that 45 and 55 minutes, and 55 minutes cannot be subtracted from 45. So therefore we borrow 1 hour, means 60 minutes from this side. Okay, 1 hour means 60 minutes. When it will come in this side, it will become 60 minutes. So we will, what we will do, we will add 60 plus 45. Students, now we will add both of these numbers, 60 plus 45. Okay, so what was the answer? 5, 6 and 4, 10, 105. And now from 105 we will subtract 55. Okay, so let's see what is the answer. 5 minus 5, 0, 10 minus 5, 5. So students, we have 1 hour and 50 minutes. Okay students, I hope you understand this exercise. Do this exercise very neatly on your math notebooks. Okay, take care.